Source just in from the Morris County Sheriff's Department. An industrial truck overturned near Lakeside Pet Rescue Sanctuary earlier this evening. Authorities are advising residents to remain indoors while cleanup crews assess the situation. Please stay tuned for further instructions.
Hey! Benny! You seeing this? Poor little kittens. Look like they didn't make it. Don't touch them, Jenkins. They're covered in something. Hey, relax. It's just... Oh. Hey! Hey, get off! Hey! It's on my neck! Get off me! Get off me! Ah!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Residents remain advised to secure all household pets. Reports describe small animals exhibiting aggressive and unnatural behavior. Keep all kittens indoors. Repeat, keep all kittens indoors.
Oh my goodness! Harold, do you hear? Where's Sprinkles?
Sprinkles? Sprinkles! Come home!
We're okay. We'll just stay inside and keep the doors locked. Don't panic, my dear. Look at me. Everything is all right. Just stay close, all right?
Sprinkles? Sprinkles! Is that you? She's all slimy. Ew! Daddy! Sprinkles is looking kind of funny.
The National Guard has been deployed. Citizens must not approach any stray kittens. Lock your windows. Secure your doors. Help is on its way. I don't think help is on its way.
Hey, this is our company. They're everywhere. We need reinforcements now. They're climbing the vehicles. They're climbing the vehicles. They're climbing the tank.
Daddy! Daddy! Sprinkles isn't moving anymore! Is she dead?
Diane, step back. That's not Sprinkles anymore.